That's right! I hope you spend it all in one place.
I'm gonna have so much ramen up in this.
Could you win a game show based on the lecture you just finished? We're on campus at Sonoma State University putting students to the test. Using Quizlet's AI features to turn study materials into questions with $500 cash up for grabs. You're a student here? Hey, what class was that?
That was CS 315.
Have you been paying attention in class?
Yeah?
Well enough for us to test you?
What do you mean?
Brainpower, Quizlet's AI game show based on the stuff you should have been paying attention to in class. We've taken a whole pile of study materials and used the power of Quizlet's magic notes to help us turn it into questions. What is cytology the study of? Is it organs, cells, or bones?
Cells.
Luis, that's right!
Let's go!
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
That's correct! You won $500!
Non-numerical is qualitative.
That's right! Parents would be so proud.
Call my dad.
Nice job.
Let's go.
What geologic era followed the Paleozoic era?
Mesozoic era.
That's right! You won $400!
Hey!
You just came from this class.
I did. Is it John Maynard Keynes?
Evan, that is not correct. No, the correct answer is Adam Smith. Whoa!
I'm so happy. I got at least one right. Oh, thank God.
Let's go find our next contestant. Quizlet puts the AI in learning, so to try out magic notes and QChat in your own studying, go to Quizlet.com and sign up for free.